how important do you think will be, stock selection and fund manager discipline, be compared to broad market trends in 2026?
I think that the broad market trends will do better than stock selection in the coming year. And I'll tell you the reason for that is because out of the 500 Nifty 500 stocks, 370 are well below their lifetime highs, right? So, and fund managers in their portfolio, right? Because you have a 50 lakh crore MF industry already in equities. They've already deployed into that which they think will do well. Now, incrementally, right, they just have to back that earlier conviction based on the earnings season outlook. Now, a fresh stock picking is not really needed because they've already done the stock picking. But the rally, when it happens in the manner that I expressed, will be a broader rally in the small and mid cap space. So, as long as you're present in the smaller and mid cap space, that's good enough. I don't think stock selection this year. In the last year, it was important because it was a very volatile year. And next year, I don't expect the volatility to be as high unless some big world event happens. I think the volatility events have happened. So now it's a stabilizing year. So I don't think stock selection is that important, but fund manager selection is important by the investors
Right.
because a lot of the portfolios are already sunk in. Okay. So fund managers can't change the entire portfolio overnight. So the difference between, for example, in the multi-cap category, which has large, mid, and small, the best performing multi-cap fund this year gave about 6.5%. The worst performing gave minus 8.5%.
Yeah, I saw that there was a lot of, spread of
So
10, 12%.
so I think choosing the right fund manager for which the value of an advisor is important because you have to study portfolios in detail, understand thought process of the fund manager, and then only invest. Because lots of fund managers who made these calls a year ago, how far are they willing to change and adapt to the new norm, right? So you have to assess that. So I think the value of an advisor comes through because I would say rather than a broad small cap, mid cap allocation, you should also focus on the kind of fund manager who has protected the downside and managed to capture the upside by truly diversifying. So I think that's important. Fund manager selection is more important in this period.